Hello and welcome to a mini tutorial in which I'm going to show you all the different ways that you can add a new state to your FSM. So the first and most obvious way is by creating an FSM. It just gives you a state by default. The next way you can do this is by right-clicking in here and selecting Add State. Another way you can do this is by holding Control on Windows or Command on a Mac and clicking in the graph view. Another way to do this is by holding Control when you're creating a new transition. So I have this finish transition here, and if I just let go, it's not going to go to anything. But if I hold Control or Command on a Mac and then I let go, it creates a new state. You can also just drag and drop actions straight from the action browser. So I have this Activate Game Object action. If I click and drag this out into my FSM, it creates a new state. It even names it after it, and it automatically throws it into that state. Get Material action, same thing, calls it Get Material, throws it in there. You can also create new states by dragging and dropping actions out of the state inspector. So if I grab this array add and I take it out of this state and just drop it into the FSM, it adds a new state and puts that array add automatically in there. You can also come up here to Playmaker, Editor Windows, and your Templates browser. And with templates that you've already made, you can drag and drop them into the FSM. And when I let go, I can either paste in the template or add a new state. So pasting a template adds in that state for me. So if I close this, you'll see that it added in the template, which is really only comprised of these two actions. You can also copy actions from the state inspector. So I'm going to go ahead and right click, copy actions. You can also hit Control-C or Command-C, and then come in here in the FSM and then paste states, and now paste it in that action that I just grabbed. Control-V or Command-V also works. So I have all these set materials now. And then of course you can just copy and paste states directly from the graph view. So I could right click and copy states, or Control-C or Command-V. I can just paste them all in here. I'm hitting Control-V right now, or you can hit Command-V on Mac. And those are some of the ways that you can create new states in Playmaker.
Be sure to check out our other videos to learn all the various features of Playmaker. Links to more learning resources are in the description.